I don't have much video left to... Shit. About half a mile away.
This is crazy.
I'm gonna leave in a few minutes. Just gonna blast east. Get ahead of these storms as fast as I can. This has been a great chase. Rewarded very nicely. Shelf, possible wall. More of a shelf, I think. Some kind of siren going off. Probably fire. If there's tornado sirens here, that'd be great. Where the hell's the tornado? Yeah. Gas is fucking $2.99. Bolt! Oh shit, I missed it! It was right there! Man, it was amazing. If I can get another one, that's where those seems to be coming from. I need a bigger memory card. There's a bolt, I hope I got that. Damn. Okay, well, that sounds really nice. About to run out of memory and battery, so I'll see what else I can delete off of this.